Hi, Bio5. I hope you had a good Halloween. I had hundreds of kids, 100 actually, and it was kind of fun. So that was all and done with. Now we move on to week 11. So I have asked you, I've already read some of them. I've asked you to write a 6-word memoir. It's been really fun to read, and I will share them with you. Let's see, the drawings. There's no drawing this week, but I want to remind you that when you do a drawing, there will be some more in the future. Pay attention that you're thinking about it, because it's easy to copy a drawing and be thinking about something else. So the idea is that you solidify that in your brain, in your mind, and drawing is a way that we do that. But you have to be paying attention. So it's best to do it in your own words, not just copy the words, because that way you're going to actually think closely about what it is that's been drawn in there and what it means. So just some words of advice about that. We're going to be having an exam the following week, at the end of next week. So this week is still blood flow. Next week is going to be a review week for you where you don't have new lectures, but at the end of next week is a new exam. So just alerting you so that you feel ready, and come to office hour, go see Adam, go see at the tutoring, and we're all here to help out. I think that's it, and we'll move along. Hang in there, guys.